Hi everyone, our group is Team C and I'm Fengkai Tian. So today our group project is called Which Pain Reliever was used the most within a certain gender in the United States in 2019. And our data set is called US 19Q1. And it's about a survey conducted by the non-medical use of prescription drugs on the general adult population to understand the non-medical use of prescription drugs. And we focused specifically on gender and the usage of painkillers. Our analysis consisted of 29,973 observations and 19 variables, which includes 1 gender column and 18 painkiller column. After we took the subset of the original data set, and that also consisted of 29,973 observations and 523 variables. And our goal is to plot the gender, the 18 different types of painkillers, and the amount of males and females that are using it.
On this slide, we listed the 18 prescription painkillers and each of its variable names in the data as well. You can see we used drugs such as morphine, ketamine, and codeine to predict if it's male or female. With our ANOVA test, we can see that most of our drugs were significant. And we can see that hydromorphone and tapentadol were the least significant.
So we compare 18 drugs and gender with a bar chart. 6 out of 18 pain reliever were used mostly by both men and women. The top 6 painkiller used were codeine, hydrocodone, oxymorphone, morphine, tramadol, and carbapenem. From our bar chart result, we found the top 6 painkiller, and the most used painkiller was codeine at 42% of women having taken, and 37% of male having taken it from a sample.
From our outside sources, we looked at the 10 most addictive painkillers from the very well-mined website. And from those top 6 painkillers, we saw that codeine, hydrocodone, oxymorphone, and morphine were in the top most addictive painkillers.
So as for a conclusion, after our analysis, we ended up actually finding a correlation between gender and the usage of painkillers. And there's evidence that women have taken more painkillers than men. So for example, from our result, 38% of females have taken hydrocodone compared to 33% of males, and as well as 32% of females having taken oxymorphone compared to 29% of males who have taken it. And for another outside source that we looked at a website called the Addiction Center, which posted a research article that helped further explain the difference between gender and the usage of painkillers. And we found out that women are more likely to develop a dependence on painkillers faster than men due to heightened dopamine response in the brain. Also, women are more likely to misuse these prescription painkillers due to issues such as anxiety and pain. And then we posted our references as well, quoting the articles used and the websites.